Hi guys, welcome to Work Smart with Alex, and you guessed it, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign a PDF document using Evrotrust and MobiPDF. Signing a document digitally is an easy way to authenticate yourself in front of institutions, government services, and more. Let's get right into it. So guys, in order to start, let's open a PDF document. Open it in MobiPDF. And as soon as you open your document that you want to sign, you need to click here on digitally sign. As you can see, you have two options: use a certificate on device or use a signature provider. So what's the difference between both of them? Using a certificate on device means that you actually have an electronic signature with a physical USB device that carries the certificate, and you need to have that registered, paid for, and plugged in into your computer. Plus it should have some additional software installed in order to run. In our case, we're going to do something much simpler and use the signature provider, which in our case is Evrotrust. So let's click it and see what happens. So you can see, first of all, you get this window which actually asks you where do you want to place the signature. That'll be where your name is, or you can place it in the center. It doesn't really matter as it signs the whole document, but I would like to place it on the bottom right. Once placing it, you see that you get this window with your digital certificates, and in my case I already have registration. If you don't, you can click a new ID and go ahead and download the Evrotrust app and make a registration. You can do it using your phone, or you can just download the app and go through the registration process. It's pretty straightforward. So as long as I have this available here and you see yours pop up, you can change the appearance as well if you want, but I'll just go ahead and sign. Once I click sign, it asks me where it wants to put the signed document, because it basically duplicates your current PDF and adds a signed version of it with underscore signed, whatever you want to save it. I'll save it on my desktop. Now what happens is this creates a prompt you'll see on your mobile device. You get a prompt from Evrotrust as long as you have the app and it's registered, and you need to continue the steps there. In Evrotrust, you need to sign in, enter your PIN code, and of course I messed up mine. And you see the document that you sent for signing as pending documents. Click on the checkbox to sign it, enter your PIN again, and your documents is signed. You can check the document by going to Documents, History on the top right, and you see your signed document. And that's it, guys. We basically signed a digitally signed document. You can see its title has changed to sample underscore signed, and you can send that to government institutions, to businesses, and this is basically as you've putting your signature on it. Digital signing isn't just convenient. It's secure, fast, and accepted by government institutions. With MobiPDF and Evrotrust, you can handle documents confidently and really save time. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. And if this was helpful, please like and subscribe, as it helps us tremendously to keep sharing simple and useful tips. Bye for now.